Welcome to another episode of the Health Tech News brought to you by Medics in Tech, your go-to channel if you want to be updated about technological innovations happening in the world of health tech. Well, of course, today I have interesting updates for you as usual. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Welcome back. First on the news is a major leap in Rwanda's digital health infrastructure. Rwanda has launched the Health Intelligence Center, HIC, a strategic national platform designed to collect, process, and analyze real-time data from across the health system. This data will be used to strengthen evidence-based decision-making and policy development. Now, present at this launch were the Minister of Health, Dr. Sabin Nsanzimana, the Minister of State, Dr. Yvonne Butera, and several African health ministers. This HIC was inaugurated in Kigali on the sidelines of the inaugural Global AI Summit on Africa. Now, here's the unique thing about this Healthcare Intelligence Center. This HIC integrates data across critical domains of the healthcare system in Rwanda, including the primary healthcare services, disease prevention and outbreak control, emergency response, health financing and workforce, supply chain and logistics, and vital statistics to provide a comprehensive real-time picture of Rwanda's healthcare landscape. According to the Minister of Rwanda, Dr. Nsanzimana, this is a groundbreaking advancement for data-driven healthcare. We are leveraging real-time data and AI for disease surveillance, resource allocation, and smart policy making to transform our healthcare system. Now, back to you. Do you think this innovation would solve the problem of fragmentation of data across different digital health systems? Let's know in the comments. If you would like to know more about the Rwanda Health Intelligence Center, go to the description to get the link to read more about it. Next on the news, let's take a break from Rwanda and let's quickly go to Australia. Australian universities recently led a digital health education integration. Digital health education will now be integrated into university degrees across Australia as part of an initiative to upskill the country's healthcare workforce. This work is part of the National Digital Health Capability Action Plan, which is a 7-year program to equip health professionals with a comprehensive understanding of digital health systems and their role in supporting clinical decisions. This is quite impressive considering the fact that we are now in an AI era. So for a country to integrate digital health education into the curriculum of healthcare workers, that is quite impressive, really impressive. Now, this is a collaboration between the Australian Digital Health Agency and the Australian Council of Senior Academic Leaders in Digital Health. According to Professor Claire Sauvillian, the director of UQ Queensland Digital Health Centre, who also chairs the council, she said, digital transformation in healthcare involves collecting and storing data digitally and using it to make better clinical decisions during routine care. She also said the information can then be used to create new models of care, such as using artificial intelligence to identify patients at risk of low blood sugar from diabetes and proactively address it. A comment from her that really interested me was when she said, this initiative is a shift from the break and fix model to the predict and prevent model. Also, there was a comment from Dr. Lee Woods from UQ's Queensland Digital Health Centre. She said, adapting to change isn't easy, but Australian universities were united in taking a consistent approach to digital health education. Having a curriculum that teaches students how to use it responsibly and confidently is needed. So the summary of this news from Australia is that university students across Australia that are studying health-related courses can now have the opportunity to be exposed to digital health skills. That's quite impressive. And I really hope that countries across Africa can really learn from this, right? And find a way to integrate it into our educational curriculum because, of course, we're in AI era and technologies will keep upgrading and upgrading. And we really need to catch up. Let's go to the next update. This next update is taking me back to Rwanda. Okay, let's get right into it. The Smart Africa Alliance has taken a huge step in shaping the future of AI on the continent by endorsing the establishment of the Africa Artificial Intelligence Council during its 20th Steering Committee meeting in Kigali, Rwanda. This newly endorsed Africa Artificial Intelligence Council will spearhead continental coordination across AI computing infrastructure, data infrastructure development, skills enhancement, market use cases, and government policies. Now, the aim of this council is to position Africa as a leader in AI development and adoption, ensuring that AI solutions are tailored to the continent's unique needs. So here is one of the things the committee was able to achieve during the event. Recognizing the need for enhanced cross-border digital health collaboration, the steering committee approved the soft launch of the Africa Digital Health Leadership Network, ADHLN. Now, this initiative will ensure policy alignment and facilitate the implementation of the digital health blueprints, which will pave a way for a single digital health market in Africa. Well, the official launch of this ADHLN and the digital health blueprint is set to launch this July in Kigali, Rwanda at the Transform Africa Summit 2025 under the leadership of Smart Africa Board of Heads of State and Government. According to the CEO of Smart Africa, Lassina Kone, that name is quite interesting to call. Okay. His comments. The establishment of the Africa AI Council is a defining moment for the continent's digital future. These decisions reflect our collective ambition to build an inclusive and resilient digital Africa. From AI governance to digital health and cybersecurity, the resolutions adopted today at the summit marks a bold step forward in positioning Africa as a global digital powerhouse. Yes, Africa is not going to be behind in these innovations. We keep moving and moving and moving and moving, and I'm so excited for my continent. Okay, if you want to know more about these innovations that are being implemented, do well to go to the description where you can find the link to read more about this. To the last update for today. This news is taking me all the way to Zambia. Zambia has launched projects to install solar energy in health facilities. You can see how excited I am. I just love the fact that African countries are really stepping up their game and, innovations are happening across the continent. So let's see what Zambia is up to with these projects. Zambia recently launched 2 United Nations supported projects aimed at providing sustainable energy solutions in health facilities to ensure uninterrupted healthcare services. We can't deny the fact that power supply is a very big problem in Africa because, I've been in a laboratory where in the middle of carrying out an analysis, power supply was ceased and then the scientists had to start all over again when it was restored. So, we just have to fix this issue, and I'm really glad that Zambia is already on this table. All right, so let me give you more details about these projects. There are 2 projects that were launched, and the first project is the Accelerating Deployment and the Adoption of Renewable Energy Technologies in Zambia project. This project aims to promote the growth of inclusive clean energy enterprises. Now, the second project is the Solar for Health project. This project aims to mitigate the adverse effects of power shortages on healthcare delivery by providing an uninterrupted power supply. So kudos to Zambia. Really, kudos to Zambia. I really, really do hope that other African countries who are not on this table yet will adopt this innovation to better healthcare services in their countries. According to the Minister of Health in Zambia, Douglas Siakalima, he said the Solar for Health project will go a long way in strengthening the healthcare system, enhancing its resilience, and contributing to reducing the carbon footprint of the health sector. He also said the challenge of providing sustainable energy, particularly solar power, extends beyond the capacity of governments alone. It demands collaboration, innovation, and shared responsibility across all sectors and partnerships. Also present at the launch of this project is the United Nations Resident Coordinator in Zambia. And she said, launching renewable energy interventions is crucial to address climate change systematically and efficiently, especially when Zambia is facing a severe energy crisis. Well, she's right, and not just Zambia. There are countries in Africa facing these challenges. This is a call to every country in Africa that is yet to embrace solar energy for their healthcare system to level up their game and ensure that they're working towards implementing this. And that's it for the news today. If you've been having a great time listening to this update, do well to drop a comment. And of course, if you would like to get more of these updates, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. I am super excited that you made it here. And if you'd love to know more about these updates, remember the description has links to these articles. Till next time, bye.